they see Seagull rolling. Fucking. Hi lads, what's going on?
No, Stanley, we need to get more cinematic shots than that.
We got another vlog here, and at the end of the vlog we're gonna do some cinematic shots. And yeah, so Seagull's riding his skateboard. I'm just taking Seagull home after a day's work of some good videos. And also in last video I wasn't actually getting hurt in Mini Seagull Adventures Part 2. I wasn't getting hurt, and also that's what's going to replace minifigures. Hi Angus, I'm doing a vlog for my YouTube channel. Would you like to be internet famous?
You know. Fuck you. Oh.
That's the boy Angus.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Much love from the
See ya, Angus.
What is it?
I have no idea. Yeah, lads, that was the boy Angus.
Now
Anyway,
you're gonna ride really fast.
now he's going to go ride really fast. Seagull, let's go catch him. He's so fast. Seagull, hold up. Oh, I got a notification, lads. Let's go catch Seagull. Oh, it says no Wi-Fi connection. Haha. Boing!
Oh, that's so cute.
Anyway, we're off to Seagulls, and I'm not going to show around the place too much because the hood. And I had to delete the last video that only 7 people saw because of the thumbnail that I'm not going to mention because it was too beautiful. And if you saw it, well, lucky you. I didn't leak him. I poured them like a bottle of fucking water, cunt. So I know I hold the camera really close to my face like Kai does, but I kind of have to. Like you've let me put my hood on because I look more sexy. I kind of have to cover the area so we don't get wrapped. Anyway, look at Seagull. He's so speedy. And yeah, so we're just gonna get to the end of the road. See ya. Sorry lads, it won't pause. Seagull! Thanks. Anyway, that was a car. Yeah. Wait for me, Seagull! Seagull! Seagull, wait! There you go.
Blood.
Me and Seagull are arguing.
I want to get the cinematic shots for you, but that's a hard.
I want to get home for stuff. I want to get home for stuff. Why?
Look at that little bee bottom.
Take it.
Okay. What's in there?
We're the real adventurous type.
Baby!
Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Seagull, are you going the long way? Fine, I'll come with you. Sorry lads. By the way, down here, just a bunch of old people live here, so.
By the way, lads! Stanley, don't get some cinematic shots of me riding really fast! It's gonna be really cool! Very speedy! Subscribe to my channel to go into a 733 subs!
That was some pretty ish content, wasn't it, lad? Oh, there's a number plate coming up. Better. Lads, come in here with me. Come under my hood. You're safe now.
Lads, we don't get to some more cinematic shots up here.
Yeah.
So it's starting to look like complete weirdo. Holding the camera offline.
Alright, Seagull, stop. We can do a cinematic turn.
Yeah.
Alright, see you lads.
In a bit! So tiny! So tiny. Really fast!
He's gonna go really fast.
Really fast!
Really
Get
fast.
some cinematic shots.
Hold on, let me get your wheel and I'll like chase you along.
Yeah. Then I actually leave you.
Seagull's so speedy. Oh god, are you okay?
Yeah. That didn't.
That wasn't a fail. You saw enough truck of cows.
No,
Lads, I just had an awesome idea. What if I put you guys here and then Seagull rides the skateboard?
I don't know. Let me.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I don't want to go too fast and it falls off.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you just want me to hold it?
NVM.
I'll hold it.
Okay, Seagull's gonna hold the camera. I'll see you lads in a sec.
Hey lads, what's popping, my boys? We're gonna get some cinematic shots. For cinematic shots.
Let's get some more cinematic shots of me. Come here, redhead. You're very far behind me.
Oh crap.
Just don't go there. Stop, lads. Yeah, the boys. Do we turn right here? No.
Do you want to?
Did you pause?
Oh no.
Do
you want to?
Is it quicker?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, let's go this way.
This one's more smooth to ride on. I can get some more fresh cinematic shots.
Do that thing where you like fuck around with the board. Like,
Okay, let me go over here and do it.
okay, lads, this will be sick. Lads, you're about to see some expertise skateboarding.
No, I'm going here. Oh, fuck me.
Boy, the video is almost 10 minutes.
Oh, let's just end it. Just do your outro while I'm doing this.
Okay,
Oh, fuck.
I have to show my face in the outro. Hi lads, thank you so much for watching this video. If we could hit 4 likes on this video, because my channel's been growing a lot, that would be awesome. Go subscribe to Seagull Gaming 217. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload some epic content. And I'll see you guys in the next video or vlog or whatever.
Some random shit while I'm riding.
Yeah.
Hopefully that goes through. Pause the video, Stanley!
What? Okay.
I'll beat you.
See you lads in the next one.